So on this fence, the customer actually needed to get this house on the market. I talked to her yesterday, literally just yesterday, and she was saying that, oh, I need this on the market. We're having a showing on Sunday, which is tomorrow, and she needed it on the books like that. And we moved some things around. We were originally about 4 weeks out, but I moved some things around and we got her on the schedule the next day and got this in 1 day so that she can have that showing tomorrow for this house.